Laudetur Jesus Christus. This is Linda Bordoni coming to you from Vatican Radio, Vatican News Studios, together with Francesca Merlo and Thaddeus Jones. We are here for this second part of this solemn day, solemn moment, following the funeral Mass for Pope Francis in St. Peter's Square. We will be accompanying you through our city, through the Eternal City, as Pope Francis's body is carried through the beloved streets of Rome to his final resting place, which is the Papal Basilica of Saint Mary Major, chosen by himself to be interred in the earth. A simple pastor in a simple tomb with the simple inscription Franciscus. So we are here waiting to see the images of Pope Francis's coffin, which will be carried on an open-aired hearse. We still have to see it, as the people of Rome are lining the streets to catch a last glimpse and to be able to pay their last respects to their much beloved bishop.
Thank you, Linda, for that introduction here. And for our television viewers, you can see the square and all the crowds there slowly leaving just before the square was totally full of people, and all the main avenue there leading into St. Peter's Square. The authorities estimated over 200,000 and a quarter million people gathered in the square, what the square could hold, and the main avenue, Via della Conciliazione, leading into the square. It's amazing when you look at how these celebrations are handled and how they're able to manage these crowds also on this short notice. And for our viewers and listeners also who've been following, coffin that will be taken from